Ready?
Spread your finger a bit.
Hi, here again for some more Tai Chi for beginners. We've got a great session for you that's going to be low impact exercise to help you stay fit, healthy and active at home. Really great for working all your major muscle groups, stretch out your body and get it moving. I'm here today with Angie, who is one of my class regulars. So how long have you been doing Tai Chi and what sort of benefits do you feel you've been getting from it?
I've been coming to your classes for about 3 months now.
Yeah.
And I'm finding it's helping me with my flexibility and my balance in particular and my strength. I use it a lot when I'm playing golf. I find it helps me with my swing and with staying stable.
Yeah.
So
I'm relaxing after a bad shot.
Of course, yeah, and the warm up. We like to do the warm up.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, it's really good. It's a good way just to, like I say, it's gentle exercise, and it's a great way just to stay mobile and keep all your joints moving. So we're going to keep it nice and gentle, nice and easy to follow. So we're going to get started. So feet hip width apart, we're going to start with a warm up and we're just going to roll our shoulders. So try to release any stress and tension. And then the other way. Bend our knees and do our knocking on the door. So just trying to loosen the body with the turn of the waist. Warming up, getting everything moving. A good one for your, just before your rounds of golf, this one. And bringing it back to the middle, and then hands on our hips. Let's do some hip circles. And change direction. And a nice big stretch high to the ceiling, so breathing in, big breath in, and breathing out. Keeping it relaxed, and again. Yeah, good, and again. And just shaking it out. So we're going to take our feet slightly wider than hip width to begin, and we're going to sink into a horse stance. So while you're sinking down, just to wherever feels good with the knee bend, we're trying to keep the posture nice and tall, like we're suspended from the ceiling. So taking it down and then bringing it back up. And bringing it down. So we're inhaling on the way up and exhaling on the effort of the bend. And like we're sinking our body weight into the floor. We're going to add some arms, so we're going to push out, we're going to grab a rope and then we're going to pull back in. So visualising, we're pushing and pulling something heavy out of the way. So we're adding that natural resistance to our movement, which is going to help us engage our muscles. Let's do that again. So bringing our hands to our hips, we're going to do our side bone next. So bending one knee and bringing it up and taking it over the other way. So like we're trying transferring our weight. And the other way. This time, we're going to slide across through our horse stance. And stay low. Let's go the other way. Let's do that again. Yeah, and feel it in the legs. And then bringing it up to our standing. So we're going to add our push and pull, but with one hand, we're turning the waist to get across, grabbing our rope and bringing it in and the other way. So pushing out, grabbing our rope and pulling it in. So focus on that moving hand. And this time, take it down and stay low. So we're coming across and the other way. Yeah, very good. And bringing it in and just shaking our legs a little bit. Yeah, very nice. Okay, we're going to move on to our bow stance. So we're going to heel toe into the corner. Again, hip width apart, good posture. We're just going to rock backwards and forwards with that body weight. So a slow transfer of body weight. Really focusing on that intention behind this. And then we're going to add our turn of the waist. So we're turning towards the back knee. And then turning round towards the front knee. Keeping it smooth and steady, nice rhythm. And we're going to add our arms. So same arm again, push, grab the rope and pull it in. And again. Focusing on the moving hands, so you can connect mind to body. And this time, let's step in. We'll repeat that on the other side. So heel toe out into your bow stance. Check the posture out. We're rocking backwards and forwards. And then we're turning our waist to the back knee and then coming round to the front. So you're trying to stay low, but lifting up through the body. And we're going to add our arms, so pushing forwards, grabbing our rope and pulling it in. And again, keeping everything relaxed. Step in and bring it down. Yeah, nice. We're going to do our empty stance. So we're going to alternate from one side to the other. So slightly turned out feet for that wider base for your balance. And we're going to slide across and tap here, empty of weight, all the body weight on the supporting leg. So we've got to go across and then we're tapping. So we want to take the weight right across, plant the leg, and then we're tapping here. Take it across, so really good for your balance. This is very slow and controlled. We're going to add our golden rooster hands, so same arm as leg coming through. It's like a strike, so we want to be looking forwards and through those fingertips. And again. This time we're going to add our lift, so lifting up and bringing it down. And step into the side, tap in here, ready, and bring it down. Yeah, go down again. So good strong core, we're pulling belly button through to spine. Yeah, and again. We're going to merge it all together, so our hand and foot like we're attached with a piece of string. We're going to come up and down together, moving at the same time. Again. Yeah, good. And one more time. And bring it down. Yeah, very good. Nice balance. Excellent. Okay, our next movement is gather the wood. It's a QiGong movement. So we're taking our feet slightly wider than hip width. We're going to gather the wood like we're gathering dead wood, and we're throwing it away, and then we're going to ignite our fire by drawing a straight line and stretching up that side, and then we're breathing in and breathing out. And then we go the other way, so over to the side, and then stretch up. And breathing in and breathing out. So a nice stretchy one all the way around. On each side. Staying here with our feet, we're going to do our painting the rainbow. So again, a QiGong movement. We're going to bend the knee and go over to the side, and then coming back up and the other way. And bring it up. So like we're holding a beach ball over our head. Yeah, nice. And the other way. Breathing in and breathing out. Open out all the way down. We're going to lift up the hands to chest height, so we're going to take them round the back and massage down the backs of our legs. We're coming into a forwards bend, so just keep it wherever's comfortable. Hands to the front, and then we push them forwards to come up to standing, and then we relax down. So just keep this nice and within your comfort zone, all the way down. And just wherever feels good for you. Open the chest, open the heart. So opening out, feeling that expansion across the chest and pushing the hands down. So nice relaxed breathing, like we're moving our hands through water, we're pushing that water away. Elbows relax and then the hands, yeah, nice. hug the tree. So we're coming all the way up, and then as we hug the tree, we're sinking into that horse stance. And coming back round. So again, breathing in, and then breathing out as we sink. Yeah, good. Keeping the posture tall as we go down into that horse stance. And now we're going to do our wise arm turns its head and looks over its shoulder. So really again, opening the chest, bringing the hands around, and we're going to sink down. So a little V shape, and we want to turn our head and look towards the back corner, really opening the chest here, bringing the hands round and sinking down. Let's do that again. Open out. Yeah, good. Nice, bringing the hands round. Final one. And let's regulate the breath. So we're breathing in, and breathing out. Elbows relax and the hands follow. And stretch high all the way up. Open out again, all the way around. And this time, let's gather the chi. Breathing in and breathing out. And this time, step in and bring the hands together. Yeah, well done, very good, excellent. It's actually quite a few QiGong movements there, so very relaxing. You can get into the rhythm and do feel your own flow. How did that feel?
It felt great.
Yeah.
I'm really bendy now.
Yeah, you do. You feel like you're warm and you're nice and loose and ready to go. Feel like
relaxed.
Yeah, feel relaxed and feel good. So thanks for joining us. We put our matching t-shirts on by complete accident, didn't we?
We did.
So we've got good team blue colours today. So hope to see you again soon. Yeah, enjoy your Tai Chi at home. See you now. Bye.